wanted to invest in Prodsmart because we quote for very large projects here that can be individually over a value of £1 million. We invested in Prodsmart to give us better visibility of our actual production costs in real time, which then led us to improve our quoting system to be more accurate at the front end of our quoting.
Masonry Support's come a long way when they became a separate legal entity. We want to be able to report on more data on the shop floor, go to a paperless system. Before Prodsmart we had a lot of paper on the shop floor. Prodsmart allows the tablet views just for the guys to clock into jobs, clock out the jobs very easily and be able to pull that data live upstairs into the finance office.
I think the benefits of implementing Prodsmart is that the tablets on the shop floor are really user-friendly. You know, it's clear, it's informative, and this allows us to prove to external auditors that one, we are doing quality checks for the quality certification that we need, and also health and safety checks as well.
I would recommend Prodsmart to another business because to get the real costings in terms of your production and real-time costings, and to even look at it against different products that we manufacture, to look at the costing break and the breakdown of the labour costs is absolutely crucial to us in any business really, if you can improve and go forward.
Prodsmart's been fantastic for us. The team are very helpful, very flexible, and have helped us tweak our system in order to get the best out of the system and our guys. So 100% I would recommend it to anybody else.
Prodsmart, the digital gateway for manufacturers.